Oh, just New York, New Jersey, Kushung, Philippines, Nang Shule, Tana, Ching, Tang, Nepal, Bhutan, and Chige. I mean, as you be in some other station, someone namaste station, and Jagar being used to and the Chick was some sort of down of Palo data, Chicago, Jupe, Kudun data, Zego. That's all some of those Nanguva. I may announce the KOLLEGAL, New York, New Jersey, ex-KOLLEGAL. Nanzut and Sane Shijalia, Tube, Ujik Shamure, Feeds gather Josum Shage. The Shangja Garuchin Sarda, Manatanda, Chantubuji, the Mio Mare, the day doing Nazudi, Kodenda, Tunche, and Nazude, Shijagi, Buddha statue, RAFFLE stage, Dunure, Dinazujinda, Gobetarin Yishula. The Puritan Sobe, Toama, the Stern and Grey, Dinyamadon KOLLEGAL, the Chanzo Tobure, the RAFFLE de Bomuchu, Chicla. Data numbers of Sudamang Kinga, Sanje Jungen, the Kushan as over the Yande, Bombashan as over the Tenda de Chuden Shangada, that's Tembe, Chawakarichawa in a society, Le Yabataya, the Sonam Side, and Simjin, Tame, the Tarbatu Tamje came to Kobanlia, and dragging you. The district Sagi, what is making the and the Yamdor of the Dejikia, Raffle Yamdoyan, Susan, Shende, Gachimut and the Gawasan, nothing of the Shandi period, and Amazon Zeldan Shanti, made a number of Shunji to issue any, make a phone number 718-316-5892. And also Zeldan Shanadi, and number of the efforts to do Zeldan Shanadi, and the phone number to Tiwa, and number of the Dejic Pingus, and now Nashani, and the Kachmuru child, the Jimmy of the KOLLEGAL Shizat, you tackle the Chavier, and Gazushimbo, and the Gagal Gazushimbo, they cheat the Chavier, the Jane du Tajik, Jane, Sandra Jumden, put me, that's in the street of Jerry in a Dejik, Sanjay Tamaramuchetan, Tag in Gul Chavier, and Sinjan Swing, you may ne. And the Chigjama Tabata Tanjik in the Kwanto and Gul Chavier. The project is a very important project for everyone who are interested to understand Buddha Dharma, who are supporter of Buddha Dharma, who are Buddhist. Please kindly buy this raffle so that you and your families, everybody around you, accumulate good karma. And people who come across the statues in the future, not just now, in the future, hundreds of years later, and also accumulate good karma. And everybody who see Buddha statue has a karma of liberation. So therefore, it's very, very important. And it's only $10. And those people who wants to donate more, I have a donation book too. You can donate any amount you want. This is very important to celebrate His Holiness 90th birthday. We wish His Holiness happy and long life, and also we wish all the great masters, all the compassionate people, that their wish be fulfilled. And so therefore, please support this Buddha statue construction. And it's only $10, and you can donate if you want. A lot of people have donated, so therefore I request everyone, and in New York, New Jersey, if there are any KOLLEGAL people, ex-KOLLEGAL people in New York, New Jersey, they have the lottery. And ex-KOLLEGAL in all the states, in cities in America, they have this lottery, and they have this donation book too. So therefore, you can ask any KOLLEGAL people. If you want to buy from me, contribute to the construction to me. My number is 718-316-5892, and I request everyone to support this important project. And this will be drawn on September 20th at Tibetan Community Center, New York, in Woodside. Thank you very much. I hope you will share this video so that we have more support, and everybody get a chance to contribute. Thank you very much. And some other solution, and they get another solution. Number they come among chicken, so she wants him, but the Pinja, the Dinalia, to share another solution.